in there. Did you try and get fresh with you in there?
Oh, no. I can't stand it in there anymore.
I know just what you mean. Must be mighty warm in there, huh? You see them rocks over there? Oh, why don't you and I walk over there in the shade and let you get a little bit of fresh air? Would you like that? Get back inside there. Lock them in there. Come right here with me now. Just walk real slow. Make one little stop here. Get us a little bit of this. Like a little bit of this? There you go. Would you like a little bit of this? Too bad that you're feeling so poorly. We still got 4 days to go to Furnace Hill.
I can't get back in that sweatbox anymore. Please let me ride outside.
Honey, I don't make the rules. The men that own the prison make the rules. And the rules says that all prisoners got to ride inside the wagon at all times. But you know the old saying about rules, don't you? That they're made to be broke? Now, maybe you and I could work a little something out. I mean, when you get to Furnace Hill, you're gonna find out mighty quick, girl, that being nice to the guards is gonna make life a whole lot easier for you. Get up. Come on, get up.
Good morning, Harvey.
Good morning, Mrs. Barkley. Oh, sure a hot one today.
Well, is there any other kind of day in this part of the country?
Well, now that you mention it, no, I guess not. I guess that stockholders meeting out at the mine is going to be pretty hot, too.
What makes you say that?
Well, I heard a couple of the stockholders talking about cutting back production. That's going to hurt Hayes Center pretty bad.
Oh, don't you worry about that, Harvey. I'm sure the Barkley family has enough stock to prevent anything like that from happening.
Well, folks here are sure going to be happy to hear that, Mrs. Barkley. I almost forgot a telegram just came for you.
Oh, dear.
Something wrong?
It's from Heath and Jared. They were supposed to be here for the stockholders' meeting, but now they're delayed in Sharpeville until tomorrow. Well, I guess I'll have to go by myself. Would you get me a buggy, please, Harvey?
Sure, right away. But look, that trip out the mine's pretty long. You want a driver?
Oh, no, I can manage.
You know, I can't tell you how much this town appreciates what you and your family have done for us. We just wish there was just something we could do for you.
Oh, there is, Harvey, there is, but I'm afraid it's impossible.
Now, you just name it.
All right. On my next visit, could you just possibly arrange for a nice cloudy day?
That's good enough.
We still get $100 for the woman?
Well, Furnace Hill only pays for live bodies.
Oh?
You know, this being your first trip with me, boy, I think I'd better explain to you exactly how it is that it happened. Now, I let that woman out of there so she could get her some fresh air. And then she tried to escape from me. And in running away, she fell down and cracked her head on a rock and killed herself. And it wasn't nobody else's fault but her own. You understand that? Huh?
See.
Now, the reason for that is that woman's worth $3,000 the minute run that prison.
$3,000?
That's right. You see, the territorial government pays you $50 a month per prisoner. And that woman was supposed to do 5 years. Now, 5 years at $50 a month, that's $3,000. And boy, I don't need to tell you, that's a lot of money. And I don't think the gents at Furnace Hill would look down upon me too kindly if they was to find out that I... And that's why you're gonna keep your mouth shut, boy.
What about him, Captain?
Well... Get out. You're gonna be riding alone from now on. That girl tried to escape.
Escape. Like you say, the lady tried to escape.
Oh, boy. Hello. I hit a rock and lost the wheel. I wonder if you'd be kind enough to help me get it back on. Thank you.
You pick it up, I'll put the wheel on.
You passed us a while back there on the road.
That's right.
You from around here?
No,
Just visiting?
I'm on my way to the Rose Mountain mine.
All right, come on. Up higher!
Where are you from?
Stockton, California.
Well, that's a long way, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Forget it.
We don't need to lose our $100 after all. Put her in the wagon. Put her in the wagon.
No! 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 Let me go! Let me go! Let me... Ah!
Now, I want you to get that rig out of sight and run that horse off.
Senor?
What's the matter? You boys don't understand? We done got ourselves another Flo Briggs. That's right. Them boys at Furnace Hill ain't gonna know the difference. Come on, get it done. Now. Now.